There's one thing the internet never gets tired of doing, and that's telling other people how their relationships should work. And recently, during the L-Tido interview, Bontle and Priddy Ugly addressed one of the biggest narratives people always throw at them. That Bontle is the breadwinner in their marriage while Priddy Ugly stays at home looking after the house and kids. But their response, it was calm, mature, and honestly, it was very powerful. Let's talk about it. Now let's get into what was actually said because I think a lot of people miss the bigger message. During the interview, L-Tido directly asked them about the online jokes and criticism. The constant comments suggesting that Bontle is the provider while Priddy Ugly is just at home. Instead of getting defensive, Bontle explained something very important. She said from a young age, her mother taught her never to depend on a man or anyone else financially. She was raised to be independent. So in her mind, she has never expected a man to carry everything. In fact, she said she's never had expectations of the man in her life to pay her rent, get her nails done, or take care of her financially. And what shocked a lot of people, she said those things actually make her uncomfortable. That's a mindset shift right there. For her, independence is not about competing with her husband. It's about knowing that she can stand on her own 2 feet. She also spoke about seasons, and I think this is where the real maturity came in. She said in life, there are moments where he will be up and she won't be, and there are moments where she will be up and he may not be. That's partnership, not competition, not ego, not who earns more, but understanding that marriage is dynamic. It changes and it evolves. And if you look at them, they've been together for over 17 years. That's not something that survives on ego. Later in the episode, L-Tido asked them how they keep their relationship exciting and not boring after all these years. And their answer was simple. Communication, going on dates, and intentionally doing things that make them happy. Bontle even said she enjoys spoiling her man. She likes doing things for him. She likes making him feel good because seeing him happy makes her happy. And that right there challenges another stereotype. A lot of people think empowerment means you can't pour into your partner, but she's showing that strength and softness can coexist. Then she said something that really stood out. She said we need to create experiences in our relationships because experiences are what keep love alive. Not money, not public approval, not social media validation. Shared memories, shared growth, shared seasons. That's what keeps a 17-year relationship strong. What I personally took from this interview is that every relationship has its own system. And when two people understand each other, outside opinions don't really shake them. The internet will always talk, but longevity speaks louder. Let me know in the comments, do you think society still struggles with the idea of a woman being the breadwinner? Or do you think people are just projecting their own beliefs? If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.